Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday from Cougar Strong Racing. Today we are going to show you how to change a tire on an F24 race car.
Hey GreenpowerUSA teams, I'm a member of the pit crew for the 999 Cougar Strong Racing team. If you're in an F24 race, there's a matter of time before you have a flat tire and have to change it one day. That is exactly why I'll be teaching you how to do it. First, remove the cap from the valve and place it where you know you won't lose it. Then unscrew the valve stem and apply pressure directly to the valve stem. Once all the air is out, remove the lock nut. And place it with your cap. Then, take your tire tool and slip it under the tire without puncturing the tire tube. And slowly slide it around the wheel. Then, pinch the inner tube into the top of the tire and simply remove it. Then take your new tire and inner tube and make sure your inner tube is fixed into the inside of the tire. Then find the hole in the rim and make sure it's rotated to the top. Then place the valve directly into it and push the inside of your tire onto the rim. After that, make sure your inner tube is on the inside of the rim and then pop this side of it. Then, take your lock nut from earlier and place it onto your valve and tighten it down. Make sure your valve stem is still untightened and take your tire pump, make sure it's unlocked and place it onto the valve. Lock it from there and start pumping. Then, take your cap from earlier and place it back on and screw it down. Then you're done. And that is how you change an F24 tire. I'm Miles Gill. See you next Tuesday.